choosing the right siding for your home can totally change its look and save you tons of money on repairs and energy bills. So, first off, think about what kind of vibe you want for your house. Modern, classic, rustic. That'll help you narrow down choices like vinyl, wood, fiber cement, or metal siding. Vinyl is super popular because it's cheap and low maintenance, but it can look kinda plasticky if you're not careful. Wood siding gives that natural, warm look, but it needs more upkeep and can be pricey. Fiber cement is tough as nails, resists fire and bugs, but it weighs a ton and needs professional installation. Metal siding is sleek and lasts forever, but might dent or scratch easier and can get noisy when it rains. Don't forget to check what your local climate is like. Like if you're in a super rainy or hot place, some materials will hold up better than others. Also, think about your budget. Not just the upfront cost, but long-term maintenance too. And if you want to boost your home's resale value, go for siding that looks great and lasts a long time without needing constant fixes. One of the biggest mistakes people make when choosing siding is picking something just because it's cheap without thinking about durability or maintenance. This often leads to spending way more later fixing problems. To fix this, do some research on how different materials perform over time in your area. Another common issue is ignoring the installation process. Even the best siding looks bad or fails quickly if it's not installed right. Always hire a contractor with solid reviews and experience with the siding type you want. A third mistake is overlooking energy efficiency. Some sidings help keep your house cooler or warmer, which cuts down your energy bills big time. Look for options with good insulation properties, or that can be combined with extra insulation. BigHomeProjects.com totally gets how tricky it is to find the right contractor for your siding job, so they connect homeowners with trusted local pros who know their stuff. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work from people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.